Welcome to your PressbooksEDU network. The first step is to log in. The first time you do this, you'll be asked to set a new password. Now, click Admin to get to the network dashboard. You can always click My Catalog, Network Admin, and Dashboard to get back to the network dashboard. As a network manager, there are 3 things you can do that regular users cannot. You can access all books on the network, even if you're not one of the users of a given book. You can also see and modify users. And you can clone any book on your network. Regular users can only clone books that are openly licensed and public. Now going back to that dashboard. From the dashboard, you can create a new book or create a new user. Adding a user is easy. Go to Users, Add New. Create a username, and add their institutional email. Add the user. Now, click on Users, All Users to see all of your network's users. Click on a book, and then Dashboard to edit that book. Getting back to the dashboard, you can go to Books to see all the books on your network. Here you can view the users of the book, go to the dashboard of a book, visit the book, delete the book, and more. To create a new book, go to Books, Add New. Enter the URL you'd like the book to have on your network. Enter the title of the book. Add the email of the person you'd like to be an admin on that book. Click Add Book, and your book will be created.